Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is July the 21st, 2021. Ethereum Classic is the prediction we are going to do on this video. You guys can already see it for yourself. We already had a price prediction on the table and it did not come to fruition. It did not come out the way that we planned. And we're going to talk about that. Let's look at some things on this chart that would let us know that, hey, your prediction may not be correct. You might need to alter your prediction and move the other way. We're going to talk about that as well. And then we're going to update you all as to where we're expecting the market price in Ethereum Classic to go in the future so that we can be in position to capitalize on the price move. This is what we're all about. You got to be in position to win. You got to make an entry and you got to have an exit. Check it out. If you want to join our team, hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel to learn more. So now let's talk about what happened into the market in Ethereum Classic. July the 5th was the last time we did our price prediction. We played a strength into the market, and I want you all to see that. I mean, you can see that we had a trend that was in play in Ethereum Classic. What day did that trend break? What day told us that your actual prediction may be wrong? Right there, July the 8th. So we did a price prediction on July the 5th. 3 days into it, we got another indication that, yeah, your price prediction may be wrong because it broke the trend. Ethereum Classic was in a very defined uptrend towards the end of June, right? But we found some restriction issues, problems around $58.50. Market can break up above that number, came right back down, broke the trend, and we're still seeing the price go lower. This is how you're able to read the markets without being confused. We didn't give you no 30-day EMA, 50-day crossover, death cross, Fibonacci retracement oscillators, and stochastics and MACDs and Bollinger. No, this told you all you needed to know right there. Price broke the trend. Boom. You already know what to expect. You already have a pretty good idea as to what the market is going to go because the trend was broken. All right. So if you were to get out right now, we'll be down about 21.5% right there. Like I said, you're not going to get every price prediction correct. You will see some incorrectly, but you need to learn from it because once you see that, we could have acted on July the 8th and cut out the position and say, okay, cool. The market's not moving the way we wanted it to go. Let's minimize these losses while we got it and move on to the next play because that would be around 8% versus 21.46%. All right, so let's take that away. Let's clean this up. And first things first, I just got finished doing a video for Dogecoin. And I told everyone on that video that the market has already came and sustained some support around 16 cents. And Ethereum Classic is pretty much doing the same thing, which is right around this vicinity here. Okay. So now these are very important areas. Many altcoins are also bouncing some crucial support price. So over the next couple of days, we need to be on guard. We need to be paying attention to how the market in Ethereum Classic trades on the support line right there around $40. Okay, so now this is going to be about time preference. Okay, if you're going to be in the market short term, yeah, you might can play some of this strength, but long term, take a look at what the price has been doing in Ethereum Classic. Why would you come in and buy this when you know the market is in a downtrend, right? Why would you come in and buy that? Nothing has changed in regards to the overall environment for Ethereum Classic. But like if you're a scalper or a day trader, you could come in and buy this strength up. But you're not going to be in the market long. That's why it's very important to come in with an exit strategy, exit position. Once the price hits that location, you move on, right? You don't overstay your welcome. Not in these markets. You get what you came to get. You walk out the store and you go on and handle your business. So right now, yeah, we're seeing some strength bouncing off of that support area of $40. That needs to continue though. This is the market in Ethereum Classic on a 3-day time frame. Currently, yeah, we're seeing some strength, but we're in a very severe downtrend on a 3-day basis. Every 3-day price bar, we've seen the market in Ethereum Classic go lower, right? So we already know what we're in for. The nearest area of restriction is around $46 back up towards 50. Okay, so while we're still seeing some strength here into the market in Ethereum Classic, those would be the restriction points. Now, this is the 2 weeks. Okay, looking at this from a 2-week perspective, this is why the market for the long term is still exhibiting to us weakness. We can't be dependent on this one because the market still has 11 days and 14 hours left before it concludes. But when we look at the price history historically in Ethereum Classic on a 2-weekly basis, yeah, the market here is still weak. Okay. Also, are we still in an uptrend into the market in Ethereum Classic? Because this last completed 2-weekly price bar, we broke that. We broke the trend. So what we really need to see now is for this market to hold support around $40 in order for us to really get a gist that the market is really supporting its price. That is still on the table though. All right. Maybe the market might be in a trend this way. What do you think? That's feasible as well too, because we can see this market come all the way back down towards $30 to even $23.75, $24, give or take, right there. So which one will you be prepared for? Because this is pretty good to see the market in Ethereum Classic come to this trend, because we could get it cheaper and then we'll be in position to ride the market higher. That would be pristine, but we're not there yet. All right, so long term, yeah, the market in Ethereum Classic is still weak, but playing this on an hourly basis, the market here in Ethereum Classic is giving us some strength, and we're not surprised because we already seen the market do that previously in the background. So looking at this on the 3-hour, we're still seeing some instances of weakness here in the market in Ethereum Classic. So I'm not overly bullish, right? I'm gonna keep it real with everyone in our community. This is not overly bullish, but it's good to see that we're finally seeing some resumption of higher price. So when you look here in the background, okay, of this chart, where would you expect to see some more selling to try to reduce the price of Ethereum Classic? 44. You guys can remember that? It's at around $44. Because I could see it around $45.35, give or take. That's only $3 away to around 50. So let me put this on a chart so we can see it. So around $45.62. That's only about 8.25% market movement higher in price. Like I said, this won't be a long-term play though. This is only going to happen over the next couple of hours, maybe day to 2 days, and then from there you have to come back in and reevaluate the market, okay, to see how strong this market is really keeping its price. This is not like a 2-week play, because 2-week time frame, we're definitely still seeing some weakness in the market in Ethereum Classic. So I mean, depending on you, I mean, what do you want to do? You want to ride the market on the short term? You want to hold it for the long term? Because if you're looking at this in the long term, then the market definitely looks to be continuing to go lower in price. All right. So let's run the play though, only on the daily. Okay, let's see how the market plays and fares out on a daily basis in Ethereum Classic. Okay. So like I said, around $45.62 will be our first area of TP. We're not going to be greedy, to 47.50. Okay, that's how we're going to play the market. We're not going to be overly greedy into this space. I could definitely tell based off the high volume that came in over the last 2 days that the market really bought up whoever sold Ethereum Classic around that support area. So yeah, we can see some increases in price over the next couple of days, but then from then on, let me show you the 2-weekly time frame. 2 weeks time frame. The market here is still harnessing to its weakness. So like, this is one of those situations to where you don't want to overstay your welcome. You just want to come in, get what you came to get, and move on, right? But if you're in it for the long term, then again, we got some continued weakness on the chart. So now I want to know what you all think. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Give me your price prediction and the market for Ethereum Classic only on a small time frame, right? On a day-to-day basis. So over the next 3 days, you know, just drop the price prediction as to where you think the market price is going to be. I'm not asking for a 2-week out time frame as to what you think the price in Ethereum Classic is going to be. I just want to know over the next 2 to 3 days where the market price be. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, peace.